Welcome back to Harbro Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have our new super coupons going through September 14th. Of course, we just had Labor Day. Hopefully everyone had a great Labor Day and you picked up some items. Let me know if you got anything, 20% or 10% off. Did you stack anything? Were you able to use your coupons multiple times? Let me know how it went for you. And if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel a lot, and I appreciate everybody. And let's go ahead and just jump right in. Coupons, super deals through September 14th. And we have a few really good ones already to start. US General Alert, the 56-inch by 22-inch roll cab, $800, $100 off. Normally $900, of course, available in 8 different colors. And we'll just check the math just to see what percentage that falls at. 11%. 11%, so not great. You would have done better with the 20% off. But okay, they got us doing some math. Next, Daytona, 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands, $29.99, 40% off. Normally $50, and of course available in these different 8 colors. And I feel like we've had this deal recently. $29.99 is not a bad deal. I've seen them go down to $25, but at this point for the 3-ton, that's not too bad. $5 tomato is a pretty decent deal. More US General 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart at $520, down from $600. And same thing, our smell test is going to be the 20% off that we just had for Labor Day. So that'll be our gauge as to how great these coupons are or how not great they are. $80 off of 600 puts us at 13%, so it's okay, not great. No, technically just not that great, not even 15%. So still, only if you're in need, but we could wait at least on the 2 roll cabs here. Continuing, Viking 1000 peak amp multifunction jump starter and power pack with 150 psi air compressor, $80, $20 off. That's 20% off. Franklin's 18-inch by 12-inch 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly, 30% off for $9, down from $13. Decent deal. We have the Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case long for $120, $30 off. And these Apache cases tend to go from 30 to 40% off quite often. So $30 is not terrible, but it's not that great. That's about 20% off. So not a bad get if you do. But if you're patient for these, you can get a super steep discount. Continuing, the Pittsburgh 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane, $240, $30 off. Pittsburgh 300-pound capacity low profile creeper. It is available in creeper green for $33, 17% off. Grant's 14-inch by 13-inch shop towels, 50-pack, your choice of color, either white or red for $9, 10% off. And these always cause some controversy. If you're worried about any issues, just get the white ones. But I've heard a wash of the red also gets them there. Next, Predator 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder for $480, $120 off. That sounds pretty decent. We'll check that. $120 off of $600. That's 20% off. Makes sense. Not too bad. Franklin's 40-inch by 72-inch moving blanket, $5, 16% off. The Cover Pro 10-foot by 17-foot portable car canopy, $180, $20 off. Not that great. What is that, 10%? Daytona Alert, 1,300-pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly for $100, $30 off. Bowers, half-inch by 50-foot automatic feed drain cleaning drum machine for $330, $70 off. So that's a little bit less than 20%. Then another US General Alert, the 15-inch end cabinet for $250, $30 off, also below 20%. And with a Pittsburgh 1,000-pound capacity engine stand for $90, $10 off. Cover Pro's 10-foot by 20-foot canopy, portable car canopy for $100, $30 off. The 20-foot by 30-foot silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp, $80, 11% off. We keep going. Storehouse 8-inch cable ties, 100-pack, your choice of black or white, 28% off for $180. Foldable aluminum sports chair, your choice of color of either green or blue, $25, 16% off. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump, normally $270 down to $240, $30 off. And again, it's just over 10%. So not too great so far, at least comparing to the sale that we technically have going on right now, depending where you're at. Harbor Freight might have just closed, but the 20% ITC just went on, so it makes these deals a little bit tougher. We keep going though. Kenway's 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit, 27 bucks, 18% off. Earthquake's 1-inch D handle aluminum air impact wrench, 8-inch extended anvil, pinless, 2,500 foot-pounds, 50 bucks off of 300 down to 249.99. Titanium's unlimited 140 professional multi-process welder with 120-volt input, 500 bucks, $100 off. Vanguard's 50 foot by 14 and 3 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord, 18 bucks, 21% off. Ames 12 to 1 infrared laser thermometer, $14.99, 34% off. Good deal there. Pittsburgh's 1,500-pound aluminum ATV motorcycle lift, $20 off. Normally $230 down to $210. That is less than 10% off. Drummond, quarter horsepower worry-free automatic submersible utility pump, $120, $30 off. Hallmaster's 3/8 inch by 13 foot grade 43 trucker's chain, 33 bucks, 17% off. Chicago Electric standard auto darkening welding helmet, 30 bucks, 25% off. Decent deal there. Fortress 2-gallon 135 psi ultra quiet oil free hand carry job site air compressor for $160, $30 off. Admiral's 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with LED and laser guide for $210, normally $230, $20 off there. We have Bauer's 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding discs, 5-pack, $4, normally $6, 33% off. Next we have Bauer 8-inch 5-speed bench drill press with light, $80, 11% off. Pittsburgh's 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack for $15, 46% off. There's something. Maybe we're picking up steam here. 46% off. Really good deal there. Central Machinery's 31-inch PVC folding sawhorse, 350-pound capacity, $10, normally $14, 28% off. We have a Badland 5,500-pound UTV long drum winch with synthetic rope, $240, $20 off, normally $260. And although this is not included, there is a Badland deal. Buy a Badland winch, get a road shock light free, up to a $200 value. So I believe they've included every single light that Road Shock has to offer, but it's only if you buy the 12,000-pound truck SUV winch with wire rope, the Badlands ZXR for $350, or the Badlands ZXR 9,500-pound truck SUV winch with wire rope. And of course, up to, meaning this Road Shock 52-inch spot flood combo LED light bar is available, and it's priced at $200. So that's the best thing you can get, which is a pretty decent deal. I mean, essentially, you're buying one of these and getting not $200 off, but you're getting a $200 value item for it. And there's some other decent deals. The 6 LED off-road spot floodlight combo light, $160 with the orange or without the orange cover. And then, of course, a few other options that you can go with. But just an FYI, we'll keep going. Hallmaster 9,200-pound ratcheting load binder, $40, 20% off. Centex 12-volt automatic battery maintainer, super convenient, $9, 10% off. The Vulcan 500-pound capacity heavy-duty large welding cabinet for $350, $50 off. Welder and accessories sold separately, of course. Pittsburgh 6-inch magnetic parts holder for $2, 50% off. Decent deal, except this, I believe this one also goes for free. This and the 4-inch are free at times. Vanguard's 25-foot by 16 and 3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord for $8, 20% off. Few Bauers here. Few Bauers coming up. Bauer 12-inch 1.25 horsepower disc sander, $160, $40 off. That's a pretty decent deal. What is that, 20% off? So good deal there. The Bauer 6.5 amp variable speed compact router for $50, 16% off. Bauer's 5 amp 14 gauge metal shears for $45, 30% off. Decent deal. Spectrum premium gravity feed air spray gun with side fan control, your choice of HVLP or HTE, $90, $40 off. Bauer's 8 amp 4.5 inch trigger grip angle grinder for 30 bucks, 14% off. Portland's 14 amp 1.5 inch capacity corded electric chipper shredder. Not sure how big chips you're gonna get in there. Chipper shredder, $115, $25 off. More US General Alert, $9 for the magnetic cup holder. Only 13 bucks, so 30% off. Good deal there. Hardy goatskin leather writing work gloves, 7 bucks, 30% off. Grant's double XL ultimate microfiber drying towel for 8 bucks, 20% off. Solid deal there. A lot of big fans of this drying towel. Highly recommended. With a 4.80 to 8 inch tire with 4 lug rim load B, 35 bucks, 12% off. Banks 2-in-1 flooring air nailer stapler for $130, $30 off. Jupiter Pure 2000 watt continuous 4000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter, $235, $25 off. Hallmaster 833 pound capacity 2 inch by 20 foot ratcheting tie down for $9, 35% off. Warriors 3 inch screwdriver bit set, 36 piece, $8, 38% off. Almost comparable to the bit cell. We recently had at 40% off. Vanguard's 25 foot by 10-3 gauge triple tap extension cord, $35, 18% off. Predator 5.5 horsepower 173cc OHV vertical shaft gas engine for $210, $20 off. Pittsburgh serpentine belt tool kit for $15, 31% off. I like that. Hercules Alert 14-inch segmented diamond blade, $65, 27% off. Good deal there. More Hercules Alert, the Hercules Impact Driver bit set, 45 piece, $19, 17% off. Not great, not terrible. 3.6 rockin'. Doyle cable splicing kit, $10, 33% off. I don't think I've seen this either. Cable splicing kit, some scissors, a blade, and a sheath. I like this. Steal of a deal. Doyle Alert. Pittsburgh socket rail, your choice, 99 cents, 44% off. I'm surprised. 99% caught me off guard. 99 cents. What a deal. This is a dollar day. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, 44% off. At 99 cents, you can buy one and just take a flyer on it. See if it helps you organize your sockets. We continue. 29 foot by 49 foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp, $80, $20 off. Hercules Alert, 10 amp, 12 pound SDS Max type demolition hammer with maximum vibration control for $230, $20 off. Hercules is 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets, $10, 41% off. If you need a bag for your tools, this might be the time to get one. 41% off, great deal. Bauer, 8-inch variable speed bench grinder with LED work light for $120, $20 off. Doyle's 4-pound steel cross peen hammer, $15, 16% off. Warrior 6-inch general purpose bi-metal reciprocating saw blade set, 12-pack, $6.99, 22% off. Another Doyle. Doyle's coming in clutch here. Doyle professional retractable utility knife, $7, normally $9, 22% off. That's very nice. One Stop Garden steel handle lopper for $11, 26% off. With Braun Alert, the UV leak detector, black LED light flashlight, $5, 37% off. Excellent deal on this Braun, and just be careful. It'll detect UV leaks, but it'll detect other things, so don't shine it on your bed. Yukon 65-inch multi-purpose wall mount tool organizer, $10, 33% off. Grant's 5-inch to 6-inch Terry microfiber and fleecing polishing bonnets, 4-pack, $4, 33% off. Hercules Alert again, 4-inch to 5-inch surface grinding dust shroud, $25, 28% off. That's pretty cool. Then we have Earthquake XT, 1/2-inch stubby air impact wrench jumbo hammer, 700 foot-pound, $69.99, 12% off. Another Doyle utility knife. This is a flip utility knife, $9, 10% off, normally $10. Icon Alert. Icon Alert. We've been waiting. Icon Alert. 24-ounce ball peen, dead blow hammer, $36. Normally $45, 20% off is a solid deal on the hammer. I think I've seen them more discounted before, but that's not too bad. In the buy zone, Pittsburgh 24-inch bolt cutters, $13.99, 30% off. Great deal. Quinn Alert. 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper, $18, 10% off. Not the greatest discount, but we still like to see Quinn. Pittsburgh 3.5-pound fiberglass axe, $18, 10% off. Bauer's 8-inch stationary buffer for 120 bucks. Normally 120 bucks, $110, only $10 off. Eek. Hardy nitrile dipped water resistant gloves, $3, 25% off. Black Widow's 0.3 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter trigger style gravity feed dual action airbrush, 72 bucks, 90 bucks normally, 20% off. We have Drill Master 11 amp fixed base router for 45 bucks, 10% off. More Black Widow, the 0.2 millimeter and 0.3 millimeter precision control gravity feed dual action airbrush, 80 bucks, normally 90 bucks. We have Hardy latex cleaning gloves, 2 pair for $2, 33% off. Always need some cleaning gloves. Warrior Diamond Point rotary bit set, 20 piece, $5, 28% off. Yukon's 48-inch by 72-inch garage cabinet for $350, $50 off. More Doyle Hawk Bill flip knife for $9, 35% off. Excellent deal there. Go Doyle. Pittsburgh file and rasp set, 12 piece, $10, 28% off. A couple of McGraw here. We have the 3-gallon, 110 psi oil-free light-duty hot dog air compressor for $50, 16% off, and then the 3-gallon, 110 psi oil-free light-duty pancake air compressor, same price, $50, 16% off. And then we have the Badland. They're giving us a little bit of something. The Badland 3-ton off-road jack, $329.99, $50 off. And we will do a courtesy check. We know this used to be $299. They're not. Who are you trying to fool? But we will still check it. $50 off is not nothing. $50 off of $380 is not great. 13% off. So if you missed your sale this weekend, I guess it's not too bad. And if you need this, then at least get 13% off. But still, I like to see it. $50 off. Pittsburgh tool set with case, 130 piece, $32, 20% off. And then last but not least, the Central Pneumatic air compressor starter kit, 20 piece, $12, 33% off. Not a bad way to end this. So, as usual, what do you think of these? I'm kind of stoked for these Doyle blades. Flip knife, Hawkbill, the professional flip utility knife, Icon, ball, peen, dead blow hammer, always clutch, retractable utility knife, Doyle. Braun light at 37% off, always a fan. What are you considering? The cable splicing kit. So again, as usual, some decent deals. Always a little tougher coming off a sale like Labor Day. But I'll leave it at that. What are you considering? What are you looking for? Hopefully you found some good deals this weekend and you stocked up on some things, or you got that one item that you've been looking for. Again, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.